Hello everyone, today we are going to make an outlet cover in Bambu Studio without using any CAD. So we're going to add a primitive cube, and I measured this all out with my mini calipers. We are going to change the size 112 long and 80 wide, and we are going to make this 2 millimeters thick. Next we are going to make the little holes. We'll use a cylinder. You're going to make the holes. Each one of the holes is about 30 millimeters from the top. If this thing is 120 millimeters tall, that means it needs to be at point 30 inside the hole. So you're going to do this. We're going to do object coordinates, and we are going to center the X, so it's 0. We are going to make this 30. And then we are going to click on this one, and we are going to do negative 30. Next, we are going to make these the right size. So we are going to make these 33 in length, and uniform scale, and 33. Next, we are going to make the lines square. So now we're going to add a cube, and we measured it to be 24 in length, 24. And we are just going to move it so that it lines up with this thing perfectly. Right around there. Great, now we're just going to do that 3 more times. Okay, so I merged and measured the two cubes, and they are only 22 millimeters when they actually need to be 28 millimeters. So I'm just gonna download this icon, and then I'm going to convert it to SVG. Okay, well, this whole thing ended up being a massive disaster. I don't know where these little holes go, and all the measurements are off. So, yeah, we'll see about that. But, yeah, we'll figure it out later. But, yeah, cool story. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Good luck with your CAD. Good luck with your designs on Bambu Studio, and yeah, best to everyone. Okay, so the reason why it came out so bad is because this warning, conflicts of G-code paths have been found at layer 3. Now, this wouldn't be so bad if it was just one like hiccup or one layer, but it just says layer 3, but it's actually every single layer in here. And so the way to get around that is by what we're going to do is because these things are not merged. The reason why is because these cubes, you can't really see them over here. You see that little cube? They are not merged with it, and the reason why they're not merged with it is because then they would get cut off by the circle. So the way we're going to fix that is do mesh boolean, and there we go. Now it works. But as you can still see, there's still these pieces here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to connect these two things, this and this. Well, here, now we're going to slice the plate. We're still going to get that error. And then what we're going to do is we are going to click that, those two things, and we're going to click merge. And then we're going to click this and shift and merge. And we're just going to merge them all, actually. I'm just going to do this, and merge. And okay, now when we slice the plate, now you see we get no errors now. And it should print good. Actually, we're going to move this. And actually delete this. Well, let me just move it. And what we're going to do is we are going to, where is the, we're just going to add a modifier. So let me do that. Add modifier. Oh, wait, no. Now when we do it, it works. And this is how you fix it. Bada boom, bada bang.